Here is how to create these pixelated silhouette designs in Photoshop. Start by finding a silhouette you like, and if you want to turn a specific image into a silhouette, like this one for example, all you have to do is select it and mask it. Then go to FX, Color Overlay, and make sure that the color black is selected. Once you have your silhouette ready, make sure your foreground and background colors are set to black and white. Then go to Filter, Filter Gallery, and in the Texture folder, add 2 grain layers. First one, set the grain type to clumped, and the second one, set it to enlarged. You can pause this video and copy these settings. Then in the Sketch folder, add the Torn Edges layer and copy these settings. Play with the sliders until you're satisfied, then hit OK. After that, go to FX, then Drop Shadow and copy these settings. Then add an inner shadow and copy these settings. After you're satisfied with the results, hit OK and add an invert layer. To add glow, duplicate your layer by selecting it and hitting Ctrl J on Windows and Command J on Mac. Then convert your duplicate layer into a smart object. Place the layer we just duplicated under your main layer and go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set it around 50, then hit OK. Press on Alt and drag the layer we just applied blur to on top of all layers. Then set the blending mode to linear dodge. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, and I'll see you on the next one.